Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings immediately and confirming your Samsung model and Android version. This matters because menus change across updates. Once done, make sure the battery is above 5% so the phone won't power off mid-check. Next, tap Battery and Device Care or Device Care. That's the quickest path to battery insights. If you don't see it, use the settings search bar and type Battery. Proceed now. You'll get detailed stats in the next step. You'll now inspect usage and health to understand how power is consumed. Tap Battery, then Battery Usage to view app level, drain, and screen on time. This shows which apps use most mAh. Once there, open More Battery Settings or Battery Health if available. Samsung added a health metric in recent updates. If numbers look odd, boot into safe mode to see if third-party apps cause high drain. Make sure to note peak drain periods and background activity for actionable fixes. You finish by applying fixes and preparing for tougher solutions. Start with device care. Tap Optimize now, enable adaptive battery and set power saving when needed. That reduces background wake-ups. If the percentage reads erratically, fully discharge once to near 0%, then charge to 100% to help calibration. Repeat one time. If performance still falters, backup data and consider a factory reset. And if problems persist, replace the battery or contact Samsung service. That's the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.